Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the basic interface of AutoCAD 2017, setting up of units and drawing area limits. To know more about these, stay tuned with this tutorial. Before we begin, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, click the bell icon for the latest notification of videos on this channel. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram and like our Facebook page. The links are in the description below.
So welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD 2017 series. So in this particular series we shall learn to draw the basics of the AutoCAD, how the objects can be drawn, plan, elevation, section, machine drawings, different drawings, how it can be drawn using the Autodesk AutoCAD 2017 that we shall see in this particular series. This is how the interface of Autodesk looks like. So here we have the option of start the drawing. Below that we have different options of open the files. If we have already drawn and saved the drawing in particular folder, then we can access that file from the open files. If you have recently created any drawing, then you can click on the recent documents. So any notifications from the Autodesk can be seen over here. So we shall click on the start drawing. So this is the interface of Autodesk AutoCAD 2017. This is the drawing area wherein we can do the drawings part. So this is how the interface looks. At the top you have the open, new, save as, print options, plot options. Then at the below, this is the ribbon bar wherein you have home, insert, annotate, parametric, different options. The previous versions of AutoCAD had the menu bar. So in this version also we can access that particular menu bar. We need to just go over here and click on this particular arrow mark. That is the customize quick access toolbar. This is the toolbar. So here I can insert the show menu bar. If I just click on the show menu bar, here the menu bar appears. The same menu bar which we used to use in the previous versions of AutoCAD. So in the new versions, here we have the option to use the menu bar. So in the menu bar, the first one is the file. So here we have the options of file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimension, modify, parametric, window, help, express. This is our menu bar. Below the menu bar we have the ribbon bars. Whatever options which have been given in the home menu, those options can be again taken from the menu bar. In the draw options we have line, ray, construction line. Whatever the draw options are there, that has been already given in your home menu. This is a draw. Then some options from menu modify, then some options from the annotations, that is your dimensions part, then layers options, block, match the properties, that is the by layer. All these particular options have been given in the home itself. Either with the help of the ribbon we can do the drawings, or we can go from the menu bar and then we can do the drawings. So coming for then at the bottom we have the command prompt area wherein we can type the command and then we can do the drawing. For example, if I want to draw a line, so I'll just type L, enter. So it gives me the line command. So it is saying specify the first point. So directly with the help of the command prompt area I can do the drawings. So all the commands with usually the first two initial words will be the shortcut forms for using in the command line. For example, if I go for line, then L will be the shortcut. Then if I am going for rectangle, REC. So like that, starting first two letters of your command can be added or inserted in the command prompt area, which will provide you for those particular command. So here you can see the bottom part. In this you have the display grid icon, wherein if you don't want any grid options over here, we can just click on this and the drawing will be a plain section. If you want any grid sections, then you can click on this, or you can go for the F7 menu. So if I just click back, the grid icon appears there. Then over here we have the ortho command. So whenever I go for the ortho command, that time only the 90 degrees, 180 degree, the straight lines I can draw. So just line. So I'll just type, click on this L, enter. So I got the line. So I cannot draw here. If you can see, only 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270. So these, the lines, the straight lines I can draw. I'll not be able to draw with any other angle. So if I want to draw it from any other angle, then here I have to just click on this, make it off. Then I can draw the different angles. You want to end up any of the commands, then just you have to press the escape command. So we'll set up this particular drawing area. We can set up the units and then start the drawing. So usually drawings will be in different units. So where can I find the units? I can go to format and then go for units. I'll be getting this particular dialog box. If not, in the command prompt area, I can just write units. When I type units, the command appears. I have to just click on the enter. So whenever we are drawing, it depends upon what particular scale you are going to draw and what units you are going to use. So either it may be architectural drawing, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. So today we shall go for the decimal and then click on the precision. Either you want 0.0 or 0.00, 2 digits after the decimal. Whichever precision you need, we can select that particular precision. Even for the degrees, we can go for the precision part. Then we have, while providing the angles, either the angles have to be provided in clockwise, anti-clockwise, that also can be selected. Then below over here, which unit you want to prefer. Either we can go for millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, feet. So many of the different units you can select and do the drawings. So for this particular video, I'll be selecting the millimeters and I'll just say OK. So now I have set up the units wherein it is millimeters, and even the decimal, it is up to the precision of 0.0. Now I have to fix upon the drawing limit. What particular area I have to draw. So for that I can go for format and then go for drawing limits here. This is one particular option. If not, then I have to go to click command prompt area. Then I have to just type limits. So when I click on that, directly the limit is going to be, directly it goes for the limit command. So what are these drawing limits? The area of the drawing which I want to restrict to a certain area, that will be your drawing limit. So I have to specify the left corner, the bottom lower left corner and the top right corner of the drawing sheet. So usually the lower left corner I can select it as 0, 0. So I have selected now the lower left corner, and the top right corner I have to select. So it depends upon your drawing whether it is going to fit in what particular area. You can select that particular upper right corner. So here I can go for 100 by 100. That will be your 100 mm by 100 mm. So now I have specified the drawing limits. Now to check how much is that particular area, what I'll do, I'll just draw a rectangle there. So what should I do? I'm going to click on the type a command. REC, it is a short form for the rectangle. Enter. It says me to specify the first point. So I'll just type 0, 0, enter. And the top right corner which we have specified, that is 100, 100, enter. So we have drawn the rectangle. Now from where should I see that particular rectangle? I have to go for zoom option, enter. Here extend option. Just click on extend. Now I can see the rectangle. So it is started from 0, 0 and this is 100, 100. This is where I specify the limits for the drawing. So within this particular drawing I can draw. Outside also I can draw, not a problem. If you just want to fix upon this particular limit and you want to draw in this area itself, then there is one more option. You have to just click on limits, type limits and then click on. When I specified limits on, I cannot draw anything outside the drawing limit. So if I want to draw a rectangle, so I'll type rectangle REC, enter. If I try to draw over here, outside the limits I cannot draw. I have to draw inside the drawing limits only. So this option is not required. You want to draw outside the drawing limits only, also not a problem. Again you have to come back here, click on limits, enter and then click on the off. So now I'll check whether I'll be able to draw it outside or no. I'll just click on this REC, enter. So I can draw it outside the drawing limits also. Now here in the model we'll be usually drawing. In the layout we can check what all things we have been drawn. So what all we have drawn will be able to visit in the layout. So now I want to erase these particular rectangles what I have drawn. So how should I erase it? So just type E, then you'll get the drop up where you have different options there. I want to erase it. I'll just click on E and enter. Then the objects which I want to erase, I have to just click on that and then enter. That particular object gets deleted. So the similar thing again, E, enter. I'll select this object and enter. That object has been erased. Now here we have a pan command. By using the pan I can move and rotate my object. So here using the pan command I can move the area, I can zoom in, zoom out using the mouse and I can do the drawings inside this.
That's all we have in this video. If you have understood the basics of AutoCAD 2017, then please like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much.